everybody. I have pizza for breakfast.
I'm leaving Mieres for the second time. Church. He's missing his cut by a long shot though. I think he would be fired from the cider bar. So.
For coffee on the edge of town. I kind of need it before I start up the road that the incident happened on.
I also stopped because I wanted to see the newspaper, and it starts off on the first page and then goes to page 8. With this story. It is a nice day. I remember passing these apple trees thinking they looked really tasty. Here's where it happened. This is where I was running up. These were the first houses I came to, where I was looking for cars, people, anybody who could help me. I wonder if that bad man had a gun or weapons that he could have just tossed on his way before the police caught him. Just drove by me. My friends.
So nice for the police to check on me. In this spot, I just passed the house of the police officer that helped me. I said hello to his big barking dogs. I'm not going to film his house, but yeah, thank you so much to everybody.
Check it out. Beautiful. Look at this sweet face. Hi. Oh, I wish I could give you a pet, but you're all the way down there. I could really use a pet. Look at you. I'm tempted to climb down and give you a hug. You are adorable. I'm taking a break to visit every cute animal because they always cheer me up. Too bad there's a ugly factory ruining my mountain view. But horses.
I'm gonna get this Camino done today. I'm gonna do it. Might just be the mountain views, but I'm feeling really, really good now. I'm feeling like I'm getting back to my old self.
Abierto.
I'm in El Padron. I'm cheating a little bit with the spout, but I just got taught how to do the cider pour. I gotta start low and go high. I'm not very good.
Drink the whole bottle. This bar has been in operation since 1950.
It was a cute little stop. Had a good time in there.
Hey cows! The poor little dog is afraid of me. Come here, puppy. Don't hide. Oh, whoa, whoa. Almost missed my turn here. Casseres. Pretty. Kitty wants the car ride. And donkeys. Fountain. Oh, jeez. I'm just gonna keep my camera on as I cross under here, just for peace of mind. Here's some feely. Okay. Alright, there's nobody down here. Alright. Highway bridge. In a bar.
And this is a shout out for Dan from Melbourne. Thank you very much for the beer. When I was at the bar, I saw that they had an Asturias Pale Ale. So, wow! A Pale Ale? Ooh, I gotta try it. Yeah, it's actually really tasty. Galea Pale Ale. Tasty. Really, really tasty. Oh, this is... Now I'm gonna be looking for this beer everywhere. Thanks again, Dan from Melbourne.
Walking out of town. Look at these dogs. Cute. Leaving the town, although you wouldn't know it, just a bit overgrown. Puente de la Carretera de Castilla, 1780. Oh, well, there's no view on this bridge. Kind of sucks. Customs office. I think you might just miss this guy. I almost walked right past it.
This is a league marker. 1.5 leagues to Oviedo. That's about 8 kilometers. Really, really awesome, really, really cool Roman league marker. Let's get to Oviedo. Let's do it. Come on, guys. We're gonna do it. And another treat for me, actual hiking path. The sign over here says Senda Verde, so the green way. Not too bad. Whoa, as I almost fall. Whoops!
Forest. Sheep. Bah. Hola, perro. ¿Qué tal? Oh, the sign has all the languages. Camino de Santiago, Chemin de Saint Jacques, Way of St. James, Jacob's Way. Walking on an old Roman road, just like in the Camino Madrid. Slip, slippery. Muddy too. Picuzina. Hi, pup. Pretty again. Is this stuff holly? As in Christmas holly? Looks like it. Somebody will tell me, I'm sure, on the YouTube channel if it is or isn't. Woo! Now this is what I call a big view. Hola! Even with the barking dogs, come and visit you. Aww. Nice horsies. Dogs are so crazy because they're sheep dogs. Oh, look at these guys. So many little black sheep. Usually I don't see a lot of black sheep. Maybe one in a flock. This is like a reverse flock. So that all the sheep are black and one is white. That's pretty cool. They're really curious. Some of them come pretty close to me. Look at this dog. Hi! Hi, doggy. Great gourds. Grassy, pretty walking. Hi, white horse. Want to come over and see me? Oh, brown horse. You want to come see me? Come on up. Narrow path. Ooh. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Hi, spotted cow. Moo, 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 moo. I think this is the last climb up of the day. And it's raining. A rest stop. I haven't seen one of these for a while. You can have a lunch or some vino and enjoy the view. Hola! Sheep. Look at their fluffy bums. I came over here to take a picture of this pumpkin. And I thought there was a guy watching me, but it's not a real guy. It's just like a cutout. It's kind of bizarre. It's Oviedo. Oviedo, everyone. Oviedo. It's 5 o'clock. Cathedral closes at 6, so I hope to make it before that. Santiago statue. Albergue. I'll come back after the cathedral. A shell. Pedestrian street. Means I'm getting close. Ooh. I'm fixated on this lady, and then I turn the cathedral.
Okay, that was intense. Thank you so much to the woman at the cathedral for giving me my stamp for today. Reaching the cathedral was my goal. And I did it. Even though they were closed. They had just closed. All right, well, I'll be back to the cathedral tomorrow to take some more time.
Okay, well, here's the albergue. It's a little bit scary looking here. I'm in room number 9. No other ladies here, so I'm in a room to myself. This is the women's shower room. There's 4 stalls. Ladies' toilet. More stalls in there. Here is the kitchen sitting area. So they don't really have a full kitchen. They have a fridge, you can keep stuff cool, and a microwave, and an area for washing up. I spent €9 on groceries, so this stuff plus lasagna that's in the microwave. This lasagna kind of flattened out.